I've been in the drilling business for 60 years. So I can understand if this tempered glass is hard enough by drilling into it. Let's put it on first. Pull the dust removal tape, swipe, peel off the sticker. Now swipe the edges and take off the final film. As you can see, no dust, no air bubbles. Privacy screen protector gives you coverage from both sides, 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated layer gives you that super smooth feeling, and it's also fingerprint proof. Now let's see if it is hard enough.
Oh, this is